Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really awesome umbrella. I didn't know umbrellas could do this, so it is super cool. It actually has an operation manual in here, so that tells you something. But it's got a really nice carrying case here. It's got a little Velcro closure that you open it up. And this is such soft, durable fabric. This stuff is awesome. But what's even better is the way you open it. It has an up and a down feature right here for opening and closing it. So you don't have to close it yourself, and it just opens within 1 second. So you push the button, voila! You've got a 38-inch umbrella here, and this is withstand wind and water. And then whenever you're done with it, all you gotta do is just push the button again, and it collapses it down, and then you just push it in. It is small, lightweight. This feels really nice, and it'd be perfect for traveling. You can keep this in your car, use it for professionalism, because it is a nice, stylish umbrella. Then whenever you're coming in, you do have this nice elastic band that you can put around your wrist. Best advantage, when you're coming into a door and you got your hands full, you just push the button and you come on in and you don't have to worry about folding up that umbrella.